There's something most people with chronic allergies, histamine issues, or ongoing inflammation don't realize. Your body isn't reacting because the world around you is dangerous. It's reacting because your internal alarm system has lost its ability to tell the difference between real threats and harmless triggers. When that happens, something as simple as pollen, certain foods, or even mild environmental changes can set off a chain reaction. Sneezing, congestion, pressure, itching, watery eyes, and that uncomfortable foggy feeling that makes it hard to focus or stay energized. This constant, unnecessary response doesn't just make you miserable in the moment. Over time, it can lead to deeper challenges, from heightened sensitivity to gut imbalance to nervous system overload. And if you've ever struggled with that wired but tired feeling or unexplained irritability, you know exactly how draining it can be. The core issue here is immune intolerance. Your system is reacting to things that shouldn't trigger it at all. Often this begins with unstable mast cells, a stressed gut lining, and low-grade inflammation simmering beneath the surface. But the good news is your body can be guided back toward balance. That's where NeuroProtek-LP becomes such a powerful ally. NeuroProtek-LP blends 3 natural flavonoids, luteolin, quercetin, and rutin, in a precisely calculated ratio. These compounds are known for their ability to help calm overly reactive responses, support mast cell stability, and encourage a more balanced state throughout the system, including the gut and the brain. Think of it as giving your immune system a deep breath, the chance to reset, recalibrate, and stop reacting to every little thing as if it's a threat. When your system stops over-responding, you often notice clearer breathing, less tension around the eyes and sinuses, a calmer, steadier mood, more ease in your day-to-day routine, and a sense of clarity returning to your mind. Many people don't realize just how much chronic inflammation affects their mental and physical vitality until they finally get relief. When that cloud lifts, it can feel like someone turned the lights back on. If you're tired of feeling stuck in a loop of irritation, fog, and overreaction, NeuroProtek-LP offers a gentle, natural way to support that return to balance. Try it now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey! Hey!